Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. As the title to this video says, I'm going to do roller sets today. This is the turnout that I had. It looks different from the other videos that I watched on YouTube of other people doing roller sets. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the texture of my hair, or I did something different, or I didn't use like the proper like setting lotion kind of thing. I don't know. This is what I have. I like it. I like the turnout in general. It just doesn't look like the other videos that I watched on people doing roller sets. I'm probably going to try it in the future again and see how it turns out, but this is what we have right now. If you want to see how I did it, then keep watching the video. By the way, if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you're an old subscriber, you're awesome. Continue being fabulous and continue watching me. Yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. I have other videos on my channel, so you can go on ahead and watch those videos too, but I will get into the video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.